Hey, welcome back to another video of Editing Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change green screen background on Canva. First of all, open up a blank space on your Canva. After that, go to Elements tab and search for green screen. Now you can choose any one from here. I'm choosing this one. After that, click on the video which you have just imported and then click on Edit Video option. Now click on Background Remover tool. After that, you can see that your green screen background has been removed. Now click on Elements and search for any background you want. There are many options from here. Let's just choose this one for now. Now drag to the image here and right click on it and click on Set Video as Background. After that, you can see that your green screen background has been changed successfully. You can also do this same for videos, photos or anything you want. Simply drag the green screen video or photo and click on Remove Background option and select the background you want to add. I'll do this again for this video. First of all, remove the green screen background and choose any one of the background you like. Then click on Set Video as Background. Now you can see that it has been changed successfully. So that is how you can change green screen background on Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.